Earth, the mightiest place for us, filled with amazing creatures. Each of these is essential for Earth in one or another way. In this video, we will see some of the creatures that inhabit this wonderful place that we call home. Our first stop is the San Diego Zoo. This place is famous worldwide for its large variety of species that it hosts.
This is the eastern Angolan colobus. They have white fur in their arms. They live in southeastern Kenya and northeastern Tanzania. They live in forests, but they are endangered due to human hunting.
That is the Malayan tiger that lives in the rainforest in Asia, more specifically in China. It is an endangered species. These are called red pandas. They are endangered, and they live in China and the Himalayas.
This is the polar bear. They live in the North Pole and they can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. At a time, they can eat about 140 pounds of food. They're currently endangered due to the ice caps melting and they are drowning.
Carbon is important in our lives, but there must be a balance between carbon and all the other gases. But right now, carbon is way up in its levels. By the year 2030, there will be a lot more CO2 than there is now. And if we keep going like this, polar bears won't have an ecosystem to live in. All the ice will melt and the sea level will rise. So it's important to take care of our environment to prevent global warming.
This is the Johnston's crocodile. They live in the wetlands, billabongs, and creeks of Australia. What they do is that they remain with their mouth open, and as soon as something touches them, they shut their jaws, and there's almost no chance that they will leave their prey.
The Maasai giraffe living in southern Kenya and Tanzania. Uh, they live in dry savannas and open woodland.
Next, we visit Birch Aquarium. Birch Aquarium belongs to the Scripps Institution of Oceanography at UC San Diego. It features more than 60 habitats for fish and invertebrates from the cold waters of the Pacific Northwest to the tropical waters of Mexico and more.
Here we have the wolf eel. This is a kind of eel with really strong jaws, which he uses to eat animals with shells, such as crabs and earnage. They can be found through Alaska to San Diego, though they prefer colder waters. Here we can see some leopard shark. They're not harmful to humans, and they usually swim in shallow waters. They feed themselves with smaller fish, and they can weigh about 70 pounds.
There are many sharks in this tank, but the one I'm going to talk about right now is the black-tipped reef shark. They live around Asia and Australia, even in Africa, and they live in very shallow waters. They usually eat lobsters and many other small animals, and they are usually not that aggressive. This one right here, as we can see him pass, he's gonna pass about any moment now. This one is the one I'm talking about, and he is not very big.
In the end, we can see that we are not the only ones on Earth. There are many other creatures with which we share this marvelous place. We must take care of it if we want to continue enjoying all the beautiful things that can be found here.
Y no me caigo.
Sí.